we're going out and running into that. Snowstorm watch. Look at this, guys. Chicago weather. Morning, everybody. This is Jose in Chicago. It snowed a little bit. Hope you guys have a great day. Gotta go on a run. Love you. Bye. All right, guys. So here's a little tip I do when I go running in the cold in Chicago. I put some coconut oil on my face because sometimes that wind gets kind of cold. So I put some on right now. I'll show you. Put a little bit like this. And just rub it in. I just rub it in really nice and slow until it gets, until I feel I've worked it in enough. And that's it. And then we go on a run. All right, guys. Love you. Take care. Bye. All right, guys. Let's get out of here. All right, guys. Come with us as we run. Come with us as we run in Chicago with the dogs. Whoa. Oh, shit. That's how much it snowed. Look at that. Say latch. All right, guys. Let's see if we can get out of this. All right. We're going to be running through this, guys. Let's go. So they just start chugging, and I just start going with them. Go inside. Sorry. Okay, kind of shoveled here a little bit. That's cool. I don't know where we're gonna go, but it's gonna get crazy. Okay, okay. Good boy. Good girl. Let's go, dig. Get a little break here. Y'all, look what we found. Oh shit, I just fell. Fuck. Okay, let's go. Hold on, Lucky. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys see that? My Sadie's stuck. My Sadie's stuck, I think. No, she's not stuck. She's just resting. Sadie's resting. Sadie's resting. Sadie loves it. Sadie loves the snow. Hold on, Sadie, unlatch. Unlatch. Listen, Lucky, unlatch. Okay. There's no one out, so let's see how it goes. Okay. Woo! This is some deep stuff, y'all. We're in the park. This, oh shit, I almost fell. Taking a little breather here. All right, let's get out of here. We ran this whole thing. Legs got a great workout today. All right, we'll see ya. Let's go home now. Okay. 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 Hey, we're in the neighborhood. I think they're making a snowman. We gotta come back later. Hola. All right, guys, just made it home. Thanks for coming along. Love you guys. Bye. I just got home. Let me show you how everything turned out. These shoes, they are waterproof, but my socks, they feel damp, but they're not soaked. So let me show them to you. I wonder if I can show it to you in better lighting. Just got home. Look at my Sadie girl. She got a puddle. My lucky boy. Look how wet she is. All right, she's gonna let it dry out here. Love you guys. Shoes and see how they turned out. So here we go. And take it off, and there we go. So it's definitely soaked. But if the thing with these shoes is it kind of almost like a diaper. Like your feet are kind of like super soaked. I didn't put my sole on because I need extra room. But yeah, guys, these are, there you go. Like I don't feel like my foot is like if I just dipped it in water. I feel like it was in water, but kind of protected in a way. So I feel like, it's not like I dipped it in water, but I feel like it's protected. You know, like it is damp. There we go. Okay, so my foot is wet. The sock is wet. There's a dog here. So see that there's a lot of water in there. All right, well, that was our run. Love you guys.